বানপানী আহিলে খেতি উটুৱাই নিলে ও মোৰে দদায় খাবলৈ খুদ কন্না কেনেকৈ আছো জীয়াই মোৰ দদায় আমালে কাম কাজ নাই বানপানী আহিলে খেতি উটুৱাই নিলে ও মোৰে দদায় খাবলৈ খুদ কন্না কেনেকৈ আছো জীয়াই
Dhemaji district in Assam is surrounded by the Arunachal hills in the north and the mighty Brahmaputra on the south. It is one of the most backward districts of Assam. The main sustenance here is rain-fed agriculture. The biggest challenge is that it is a flood-prone area. In 2006, large tracts of agricultural land were destroyed by a major flash flood. In 2006, the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or NREGA, was introduced across the country. A revolutionary act that ensures 100 days of employment to every rural household, every poor family, making right to work a constitutional right. In Assam, Dhemaji was one of the first few districts taken up under NREGA due to its backward status. What is this act? How can it help you? How can it be implemented in an effective manner? Let's explore the act through its implementation in Dhemaji in Assam.
Oye, asonit no ase ki?
ও শুন শুন সৰ্বজন কৰো নমস্কাৰ গ্ৰাম নিয়োগ আঁচনিৰ কথা কৰিব প্ৰচাৰ ও শুন শুন সৰ্বজন কৰো নমস্কাৰ গ্ৰাম নিয়োগ আঁচনিৰ কথা কৰিব প্ৰচাৰ দিনৰ নিয়োগ তুমি পাবা শুনা নিচিন্তে যদি হেনো পোৱা নিয়োগ ভাতা পাবা তাৰ বিপৰীতে দিনৰ নিয়োগ তুমি পাবা শুনা নিচিন্তে যদি হেনো পোৱা নিয়োগ ভাতা পাবা তাৰ বিপৰীতে
This is Amol Prabha from village Kesu Khonapar in Dhemaji district. They are a family of 4 and like many other families in the village, depend primarily on farming.
আমি চ'ত মাহৰ পৰা আমাৰ খেতিত নামিব লাগে। বহাগ মাহত আমাৰ কঠীয়াটো পাৰিব। কঠীয়া পাৰি আমি জেঠ মাহৰ পৰা এইটো যিটো আমাৰ বাসন্তী ধান বুলি কয়, বাসন্তী ধানটো আমাৰ জেঠ মাহত আমি ৰুব লাগে। জেঠ মাহত ৰোৱাৰ পাছত আমি বাসন্তীটো ৰুই এটা পিনি আমাৰ এইটো শালি ধানটো ৰুব লাগিব আমাৰ। আমি সেই এবছৰ ধৰি লওক যিখিনি কৰ্ম কৰি খাইছোঁ, সেইখিনি কৰ্মই আমাৰ নাটেগে। তাৰমানে আমাৰ গাঁৱলীয়া যিটো আমি কাম কৰ্ম কৰি খাই আছোঁ।
Last year, their village was one of the worst affected by the floods.
প্ৰায় আমাৰ মানুহখিনিয়ে বানপানী হওঁতে লঘোণেই থাকিলে বুলি ক'ব লাগে। ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে খাবলৈ নাপায়, ঘোদা পানী খাব লাগে। কোনো পিনৰ পৰা আমাৰ উপায় নাইকিয়াকৈ আমি বানপানীৰ সময়ত আমাৰ ৰাইজ বহুতো বুঢ়া বুঢ়ী মৰিয়ে গ'ল।
The district administration, along with the BDO and the panchayats, spread awareness about NREGA through posters, training programs and meetings. In Dhemaji block, a meeting was held by the panchayat to register people for job cards. Every rural household is entitled to register. You have to get your photograph taken. The panchayat is supposed to bear the cost of this. Amol and her friends go to the panchayat office to get their job cards. The job card is valid for 5 years and has to be updated every year. It should have permanent information about the household and provision for adding employment details. The Gram Panchayat should have a photocopy of all the job cards issued. The job cards should be given in public to ensure transparency and open dialogue.
সামূহিক প্ৰচেষ্টাৰে আগবাঢ়ি আহা, আগবাঢ়ি আহা, সামূহিক প্ৰচেষ্টাৰে আগবাঢ়ি আহা, আগবাঢ়ি আহা, ভৱিষ্যত প্ৰজন্মক সুৰক্ষিত কৰা।
The whole village gets to decide what kind of work can be initiated and at what cost. In Kesu Shonapar, the women's self-help group gets together to discuss the possibilities. One of the ideas is to have a fish tank. The concern is that the land belongs to a private owner. Once the tank is made, profits will have to be shared. These concerns are common in any rural area. Meetings are important to resolve these issues and come up with positive solutions that look into the future and benefit for all. The vision of this act is not just to ensure 100 days of work, but to build community assets under the scheme of work undertaken. The projects initiated under NREGA should not just provide relief in times of distress, but build long-term assets for the families so that they do not have to migrate to look for work. After the project decision is taken, you have to fill the demand for work application in the panchayat office. Within 15 days of the application for work, the panchayat is supposed to provide the work to the family. In In this village, one of the projects undertaken is the fish tank. The idea is for the village families to earn an income by selling fish in the years to come. The self-help group will monitor the sales and share percentage of the profits with the owner of the land. Some of the key aspects that the Panchayat has to take care of at a work site like this are: a transparency pillar with all the information about the project has to be put up at the work site. Work has to be given within a 5-kilometer radius of the village. 1/3 of the workforce have to be women. A shed has to be created for the children who come along with their parents. A first aid box should also be there. Drinking water facility has to be there. Most of the women here weave, and Assam is famous for its Muga silk. Another project initiated here was Som Plantation to promote Muga work. The Panchayat Samiti organized a training workshop for women to work with Muga and come out with high quality products. This was done in collaboration with Shanti Sadan, an established NGO in this field. These partnerships can give NREGA implementation a boost, and government bodies should look towards establishing such links. It's been 14 days of work at the fish tank. It's time for measurement of work and payment. The junior engineer, along with assistants, has to take the measurement of work done in detail. Under the NREGA, till a wage rate is fixed by the government, every worker will be entitled to minimum wage fixed by the state government. In Assam, the minimum wage rate currently is Rs 68. Women and men get equal wages. Here in Dhemaji, the payment is being made in cash. The payment should be made in public to ensure transparency. You should check your record in the muster rolls to make sure the amount is correct. In some other states, bank accounts have been opened for job card holders so that the payment can go directly into the bank. In NREGA, all information is supposed to be fed into the online server. This is part of the monitoring information system. In states like Andhra Pradesh, MIS has been implemented very effectively. Any person can track her or his records online and keep a check on government expenditure. This is one more step towards transparency. Here in Dhemaji, The initial training of the Panchayat has begun, and by next year, this should be implemented.
ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ আমি প্ৰতিচ্ছবি ইয়াত দেখিবলৈ পাইছোঁ গতিকে ইয়াৰ যোগেদিনো আমাৰ কি লাভালাভ হ'ব আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ ৰাইজৰ কি লাভালাভ হ'ব বা আমাৰ অফিচিয়েলি প্ৰশাসনৰ কি লাভালাভ হ'ব
নহবা ভাইহঁত হতাশ নহবা সকলো হিচাপ নিকাচ তুমি জানিব পাৰিবা গাঁৱৰ উন্নতিৰ বাবে যদি তুমি ভাবা পৰিকল্পনা তুমি নিজে কৰিব পাৰিবা
Many government schemes are shrouded with corruption charges, and in Enriga, the story is not different. For example, in some places, the project has been given to contractors. The Panchayat keeps the job cards instead of the individuals. There are discrepancies in the money spent on projects. However, you can do something about it. Social audits are compulsory under this Act. Social audit is an open meeting where the Panchayat and the Panchayat Samiti has to give an account of the entire project amount spent and payments given. You have a right to ask questions and demand information. In some other states, people have actually used social audit and recovered money from people who tried to misuse the fund or tamper with records. It's a very important tool you have in your hands to ensure transparency. The process of Enriga has begun. There is still a long way to go, but unlike other schemes, here you have a role to play in making it a success.